So here's the external mount EMP shield. I added my connection. I think that's a left hand or right hand box. I don't remember what it's called. But this is going to get mounted in this box here. And I'll shut the power off. There's a 100 amp service. And I'll be tying into this 20 amp and this 20 amp. So we got line 1 and line 2 here and here. And we should be good. If not, we'll use these two here because you got line 1 and line 2 coming in. But it's a 30 amp disconnect, and I think it's got to be on the 20 amp. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I got the panel back on. Looks like I need to get a couple of covers for that. So, and a screw. But the lights are illuminated green, so it looks like it is correctly installed. I had to cut the cable short, so that's the way we want it for a quicker response. So EMP Shield is the way to go. And another easy install with safety precautions taking place. Each leg was 123 to 124 volts. And I think we're looking good. And if we have any electromagnetic pulses, it should absorb any of it on those first circuits on line 1 and 2. So we'll see what happens. And the way that the weather is changing and the sun is throwing off its I don't know, whatever you call those pulses. We'll see what happens. All right, I got it mounted, buttoned up. Common's going to common, ground's going to ground. Line 1, line 2 on the 20 amp disconnects or circuit breakers. So I'll turn the power on and see if the lights light up correctly.